On this app, I'm going to show you how you are going to make money by doing simple tasks every day. And on this app, you can raise money. You can raise 10,000 naira per day if you are serious with it. As we all know that we are in cashless policy in Nigeria now, you can make so much money on this app. Welcome to the screen of my phone. So this is the site we'll be using, Freebiz. On this site, you do small tasks by signing up or liking Facebook posts, and you'll be getting money. You can see they said earn 10,000 naira plus daily on social media jobs. Welcome to Freebiz. Freebiz was created for you to make cool cash every day by doing simple social media jobs on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and other social media platforms. Use Freebiz to answer survey questions, play games, and install applications to make money online daily. On Freebiz, you can hire online workers to increase your business visibility and organic growth through engagement on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, WhatsApp, and Twitter. What they are saying here is that if you have business and want people to engage on your social media platforms, you can surely bring it as a job here for other people to do the tasks for you. If you have a YouTube channel, you want people to comment, like you are going to bring that your job here and give it to them. They should help you to do it. So our workers will engage your post 3 times to drive massive sales for you. When you tell your friends about Freebiz, we will reward you 250 naira on each friend and instant bonus of 5,000 naira when you reach 50 verified referral limit. When you refer 50 people, they are going to give you 5,000 naira extra cash. So therefore, I think it is making sense now. I mean, it is making sense because we are in Nigeria now, and everything that is working now, like it is cashless policy. There's no money here now. Like you can use this as a business model for yourself. You can work on this app daily and get 10,000 naira above. All what you just have to do is tell your friend, I have this platform that we are earning money from, and then you are going to get your money, and it is instantly. You are going to get your money. There's no lies here. So how it works: sign up and get your referral code and start earning 250 naira on every referral. Your referral code is affiliate link to earn more money. So if you want people to earn from you, then you give them your link to register, and with your daily tax you are doing, it will be adding up here. Earn and cash out. Log into your dashboard to access available jobs. You can earn as much as 10,000 naira daily when you like, share, comment on a post, or play games. You can even play games if you are feeling bored. Then we have hire workers. You can hire workers if you want them to do tasks for you, like liking your post on social media. You want them to join a class online, you want them to help you to promote a product, you can do that here. You can bring it here, and you are going to make sales through it organically, like organic growth for your business. If you want to start earning, you can jump on this, and then we have available jobs. You can see we have 4,500 jobs, we have 6,546 users, and then 8,791 completed jobs. So like these are the payouts today. As of today, you can see it is live and direct. These are people that are earning on the site. So if you want to get started, just click on my on the link, which is my affiliate link in the description below, and then it will bring you to where you will register. So just input your name. All you have to do is to input your name, your address, your phone number. Then when you use my referral link, it's going to show you my code. So don't touch that, just leave it that way, and they're going to tell you where did you hear Freebiz, like where from which source did you hear the Freebiz registration. Just like it's YouTube, because you are watching it from YouTube live and direct now, and you register. You agree to the terms. You put your phone number, your email address, your full name. Remember, your full name must tally with your bank account. as in your the name on your bank account. So that's that for that. Then let me log into my dashboard. To bring it to your dashboard, and then to bring it to your dashboard, this is my email address and my password already saved there. So let me go back. Okay, you can see my name. This is my name. It's a complete simple jobs today. Complete. I'm not verified yet. Complete simple jobs today and get paid each 250 naira each time you refer a friend. Your friend must be a verified user, because if the person is not verified, you cannot earn money through you cannot earn that 250 naira. So this is it. I'm having zero balance, zero wallet balance. My referrals is zero. Completed jobs is zero. And then look at here. Look at the jobs here. Make a post on your WhatsApp status. 10 naira. And we have number of workers, 4 out of 50 have done it. So they need 50 people to do this task for them. So this 10 naira you'll be earning from here. And then make a post on WhatsApp status, 10 naira. TikTok followers, 8 naira. 10 naira. You can see they've already marked here 10 naira is already completed. We have 10 naira. Like they've not done this particular job, they've not done it. So you see all this 10 naira and 8 naira, it can add up, because if you do 10 per day, that is 100 naira. If you do it for 10 days, it is 1,000 naira. At least that maybe you are very very lazy, you cannot earn money online. Any money online is not about something will be skyrocket. Maybe something will skyrocket it for you. Like you have to do it. You need to be consistent about it, and you need to be intentional. That's the way you can make money online. There's not as if it is one robot that will be working for you a year. You need to do it online. Take it as a business model for yourself. So after you've already registered, then you will need to verify your account. And if you do not verify your account, if you are doing daily tasks, you cannot withdraw. So you need to verify your account. Just click on get verified, and then if you want to get verified, you are going to make you see it is telling you that lifetime access to jobs. You will get unlimited access to available jobs, including premium ones. You can hire workers. I know it's not everybody that I'll be using this app now, that will be using it to make money, that will be doing daily tasks. Some people don't have time for stuff like that. But you can bring your business here. That I'm having this product. I want people to know that this is the kind of product I'm selling. Just let them to just bring awareness for my business. They should post my business on their Facebook timeline, on their Instagram. They should tag me. You can do all these things there and bring it to this site for people to work for you. We have unlimited withdrawals, access to withdraw all your money and other juicy offer coming up shortly. Okay, you will earn 12,000 naira on the friends you refer, and we will reward you with 5,000 naira extra. Manual withdrawals. You can do manual funding by sending the fee to our account. Reactivate and verify your account, okay, from the back end. Okay, if you want to verify your account now, this is the account you send the money to. Because if you want to verify, you're going to use your bank card to verify. They're going to charge you 515 naira. That's the amount of money they will charge you, and I think that is not too much. It is not too much. 515 naira is not too much for you to, you see, 515 naira. So if I should input my card details here, and they should deduct the money from my account, I'm going to get 1,000 naira. If I should input my card details and they remove 515 naira, they will give me 1,000 naira instantly, and I will get started. So the money I will be working for, it will be adding to the 1,000 naira I have on my dashboard, and I will withdraw it. There's no limit for withdrawal here. You can withdraw 500 naira, you can withdraw 400 naira. So the daily tax you are doing is going to add up for you. And remember, if you do not get verified, you cannot withdraw from here. If you do not get verified, if you refer somebody, you will not get your money. So always make sure that you get verified. And 515 naira is not too much for you to upgrade. You can spend 515 naira. Borrow money, yes, borrow money. Do this. It is not hard. Just by doing tax, daily tax, and then it is still working. It is working. It is working. Seriously, it is working. And then I will get verified, and you will, and I will give you feedback. So if you want me to do videos for something like this again, I have other 3 sites that I want to give out, that I'm working on it daily to make cash for myself, just like freebies like this. And I'm also giving out tax. I'm also taking my job there for people to work for me over there. So if you want me to drop it for you, just let me know in the comment section that, Esther, please drop video on the other 3 websites that you are earning money from daily. So if you find this video helpful and useful to you, please just let me know in the comment section. I love you. Thanks so much for sticking by. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.